Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. About Obaze open message to Obi Cubana, the man wey use over 300 something cow take do a mama burial, and some of his friends wey use bundle of money take spray for the burial. Make I leave you now with about Obaze, make you for hear the message.
Yes, my people, I salute to now. So that say on a full aboki level. Baka the salah to my Muslim friends, my Muslim fans all over the world. I beg, make una help me invite Obi Cubana, the man that buried his mother last weekend. Obi Cubana. I want people to help me invite Kanayo O Kanayo. Help me invite E-Money. Help me invite Cubana Chief Priest. And all the Igbo big boys that attended that glorious function. Also invite Joe Zaza. Call them, call for me. When I say Abba, they call them. But I know say we get many of our Igbo brothers for here. Yes, I know say we still get many Igbos will be Muslim. That's why I will say Baraka the Salah once again to all my Muslim friends, Muslim fans, and Nigeria all over the world. Muslim, Islam, Christianity, are the same thing. The same thing. The same thing. So we celebrate with them. Yesterday for Lagos here, we chop ram. I get many big allergies here with my friends. I chop ram my tire. We are one. So when I not invite Obi Cubana, when I should say Obi Cubana day here, please, I need shares. I need somebody to measure his handle. I need someone to measure his handle. Obi, now you I want to talk to. And all this is a Cubana Chief Priest. Obi Cubana, congratulations on the successful celebration of life. Be man, you try, you deliver, you try. In fact, the first time when I hear say you get community or you get village where they call Oba for Anambra State and your mama burial. Yes, you have succeeded in putting Oba in Nigeria and Africa map. But I don't know about the world though. But many of them say they beef you. You have succeeded in putting Oba in the world map. Because in fact, everybody, people outside the country, they follow up, now try, now deliver. Now I really know say what we need in this life. We don't really need money. We don't really need too many connections. We don't need to be desperate to make it. All you need in this life to excel is goodwill. Goodwill. And what I see for that burial, goodwill. And that's a goodwill me, I get it. Me, Abatobaze, I get that same goodwill. That same goodwill, I get it. In my own small capacity, even if you never reach Obi Cubana, but in my own little way, I get that goodwill. People like me. Anything that they do, people want to turn up. Anything that they say, people want to patronize me. People the way they support, people the way they fight for me for back. That is goodwill. I really appreciate. Thank you, Cubana, Obi. Thank you. I watched your BBC interview, Obi. You know my guy. You know, say you talk for interview, say you know they call people your boys. Say they call them my men or my guys. So me, I don't want to call you my oga. I don't want you call me your boy. I be your man. Obi, I be your man. Going forward, I be your man because I like guys who they try. I like guys who they try. I like guys who they young. When they inspire the youth. Obi, you try. I watch your BBC interview. You deliver. In fact, as at the time I was watching that interview, about 20,000 people were watching live. Ama you be. As I speak today, you are unarguably the most popular youth in Nigeria, if not Africa. You are the most popular youth as I speak in Africa. Everybody turn up for you. Even we will not see money attend. Because I hear say even some big boys will carry private jets come, they bust them. So I may wait for follow road. Maybe before I reach the old dog. So which time for you to reach the barrier? So I just have to humble myself. Because now 1 million I can't spray for you, but I can't see say maybe like this 1 million not go reach anywhere, not go anywhere. When I see the kind of money with them Cubana chief priest, they display, they kind of your man, or the Joe Zaza, that's that. What thing you can go do for them? Make I just humble myself for Bini with my small one air. Because I wish bad day, I get friends when I do for so curious, 5 of us, more call private jet, 700K. That's so many celebrities there on a collabo. With all of us did the business together. Me, I'm also into showbiz, I'm into entertainment, I'm into real estate. Friends collaborate. Most of those private jet owners see that collabo. I want to go open mama burial. So I go say, man, get the way this we not supposed to use this public plane. No, I say they call it sales for because almost every other person when they manage now normal plane and they enter. So we more use private jet now. I say I'm more use private jet now. How much? You call sometimes they say 3 million, 3.5 million, 3.2 million, 2.5 million. If the jet's not old, if you see 1.8 million, so yeah, more than 700. You know, read where you enter. Before we land, we'll call our boys, they're coming for us for airport, your videos, they come down. That's not packaging. That's not packaging. So as I say, I don't get all this packaging. That's why I don't humble myself. But as I watched your interview yesterday, because the reason why Obi come out yesterday, come quick talk, people hate us. No, you see to showbiz now. Man, it get competitors. It get people to say, now they will be in Nigeria, and they want people to sponsor some propaganda against him. Now why he can't come out? Many know when they talk, say, Obi money not clear. So Obi money not clear. Because if God they bless you, enemies will not ever make us for life, they'll bless your money not clear. They'll bless you, no, it's not ordinary. They'll bless you, this your money not feel clear because it's not, because they bless you, how? Why they not fit get this kind of money? Why you go get that? But when you were hustling, strategizing, connecting, they did get part of the drink free beer. Free beer. Free beer. They get plenty girlfriend. Well. They don't go any party, they not carry babe. But that's how they also, you they connect. So I watch your interview. Nigerians, Africans, the world, we listened to you yesterday and we feel you. Now, Obi, this stunt wanna pull, where your friends pull, they came out to show you love. This stunt will make sense. And for me and you, we did the same business. That was you say you don't do real estate. So if you do real estate, that time you know it to be 5%. Me when you see so now 5%, me they say front to 5%. People will never patronize me, they will say about this government money. But people will not patronize me, they don't say, no, forget to Abba they also for himself, you not date the one way other people do. Election not pass, guy don't go back to a business. You still talk about showbiz. Yes, I'm into entertainment. In fact, 1992, I sponsor, was it 92? 96, I sponsor one of my boy. And I sponsor one of my boy to meet with Renzo. 1996, to meet with Renzo. We had an agreement with Renzo. Now, meanwhile, even sponsor the boy to collaborate with Renzo. 1996, the year so 96. So now, first when not there, make me not really, I be showbiz man. So me and you will do almost the same business, and you they turn up and they see you for club, they move, they turn up. Me say they turn up and they turn up too and they try. If you don't reach una level, if you never reach all those Ace of Spades, all those Don Perignon, all those Dorime. I see they play Dorime. If I see go club, I see other Andre, they'll see Dorime. They'll see play. But una on Ace of Spades, now if you hear Dorime and then they go them will beat one at table, you all know say now all those Ace of Spades, but our own they do Dorime for Andre. Sometimes you fit even do dorime for red label, depends on the place where you go. DJ will see us, this guy red label here 20k. Oh yeah, more dorime for I just see that can dorime, you still get joy. And the same thing, life and stage. We go still grow rich where you dey, you understand? But the message when I want send to you and all these other celebrities, make una now the world is following you. Your social media, your Instagram handles now don't pass over 1 million. Before the brand never reached 1 million, but don't pass that. We are following you. Please, Obi, outside the business, outside things, many things will play. After this, many will get many endorsements. Many companies will come say, I want to make you our brand ambassador. But one beg you now, please use this your platform now. Because we are going to watch car yesterday for this Lagos. Every table they discuss Obi. Every table they discuss Obi. So by the grace of God, if you consolidate in the next 12 months, we'll still be listening to you. Many people don't want to even listen to President Buhari. Many people don't want to listen to their governors, but they feel listening to you because you have inspired us. Now let people will not get brain. If you get brain, as they listen to OBS, you carry pen and paper, you pick some things. Let those so you write down, make it guide you. Obi, I want now make you use your voice to preach first one Nigeria. As we speak, I believe in one Nigeria. I believe we can, if not that our politicians have failed us, I still believe in one Nigeria. Now, politicians and religious leaders are they destroy this country. Pastors, imam, the politicians, not me and you, we are victims of bad system. Even me and you will be. With the way you take intelligence, I wish maybe the system even good for you. Maybe for the consultant to multinational companies, and maybe for everyone in this country. You say you struggle. As a street man, you make up. Please, I want you to use your voice. Regardless, you'll get criticism. Use your voice to preach one Nigeria. Obi to Banner. Please, my message to you. We are all following you. Nigeria youth. For girls when they criticize you, now beef they beef you. And if you they beef who don't make her, you don't feel make her. Instead of you to be strategizing to say, I wish you this guy pass. Man, see whether how 50 work. The time when you're supposed to strategize, it's not they beef the guy. So don't get how you want to move forward. Forget when they beef you, when they listen to you. Use your voice. Preach against courtesan. Against courtesan. All of your celebrities, when go their party or they show what they be. Me don't know whether you join or, but if you join, I never see anyone. I never see you they do all those things. I don't know whether if they do them, but I never see you do all those things. Please use your voice to preach, to discourage courtesan. We are listening to you now. If you call BBC Pidgin again to come interview you, you speak against courtesan, and maybe over 15 to 20 million Nigerian youth listen to you. Trust me, you'll be able to retrieve, you'll be able to save nothing less than 2 million souls. It's a big plus, and it will also be a plus to your brand. Use your voice to speak against courtesan. My brother, I will beat you banner. Use your voice to speak against human trafficking. Human trafficking. Trafficking in persons. Human trafficking. I beg. I use Almighty God to beg you. Come out. Talk to us. Will they listen to you now? The world, Igbo people, everybody, they listen to you now. Use your voice. Because anything will pop up now for your handle, everybody want to watch. Use your voice to say no to courtesan. Use your voice to say no to human trafficking. As sure your people are celebrating. Everybody they say, Igbo boys they cooperate to, Igbo boys they try, Igbo boys they unite to. Now so we see Igbo boys when they traffic, they go abroad, they do nonsense. And so they see Igbo women when they traffic, they go abroad. Igbo betraying themselves when they see our way for abroad. Use your voice, use your platform, please, to discourage human trafficking. And I also encourage you to also use your voice to say no to drug trafficking. Obi, say traffic to come carry, swallow, use a bolo, no come tidy. Whether I coke, I be different friend. This one they see now. Come tire. They come carry. They say na ogbolo. And they swallow. They come swallow. Give the injection. We say they'll say the thing go fit stay inside their day, inside their system. They not go toilet for 5 days. Every system not be the same. Some system day where we say you go give injection. That injection not go work. Under 12 hours, the guy got the feet pressed. While I don't come the force itself. May not go excrete millions of naira goose for you know it today. This thing will react. Post was happening. Many Igbos are languishing in jail across the world. Many Nigerian youths are languishing in jail. Please use your voice to discourage drug trafficking. And my brother, man, use your voice. Take trauma and give politicians. Help us swear for them. Obi, I beg. Hey, forget say you get some of your friends who, but we will be youth, Nigerian youth will believe you past them. Help us use your voice. Everybody listen to you now. Call some out. Mention some names. We don't fake their people. I beg. Just blast them. Just throw. It will help. And lastly, I don't want to make this video too long. Lastly, help us use your voice to say no to prostitution. Prostitution. Don't go up. Don't hide well. Because we get many reports. Can you talk now? Say many people, many girls don't run leave their boyfriend. They don't go there or back. Say if your girlfriend lost, don't even bother to find her. She there or back. So that's prostitution or TB. You pay woman to sleep with you for the night. And prostitution. Use your voice to discourage prostitution. It's not really on the rise. Use your voice to discourage gayism. Use your voice to discourage lesbianism. We are listening to you and the world is listening to you. Please take advantage. Help us. Help us. We never grow reach the way you take day now. Help us. Then if I not add this one, I'm saying I go. It no make sense. Obi, these days, when they grow, they come. Only I they grow, they come. Obi, now small. You not too senior me like that too. And I still condition make me never even blow. Obi, when they grow, they come. Now only men, they smoke Igbo. Only men. If you see boys gather, they see smoke. You see that they are smoking cigar or they are smoking Igbo. These days, our young ladies, they smoke Igbo pass. Men these days. Our ladies, they smoke Igbo pass. Men now. I want her. So you know what's happening for Chidima matter. Chidima na your sister or na Igbo. Chidima na Imo abi which state? I bet when I know the state where Chidima come from, una type am. She be na Anambra. That Anambra or Imo. You know Chidima story now? Say they don't hide, something can happen. Don't say she dey change the story every day, but that first story enter. I beg, help us use your voice. Tell me say, hey, as a showbiz man, if they always deal with you, then they tie. Tell me say, this is what they do, so it don't make sense. I don't know whether you dey pay, I don't know whether you dey pay, but you don't be like who dey pay because you fresh. You be like fresh bread. You be dark skinned guy with fresh. You fresh where. You fresh where. You be man with fight past wife. But that not vessel. But that fight to God. Be clean where. Be clean. Be fine. I know what they talk. So I beg. All those they started with Igbo. Later they come say Igbo no they two they had like that SK. I don't know at the year of Colorado. I don't know whether I'm swallow now and assist one they smoke. I don't know that one. They take different types of drugs now. They take calm badly. He plenty for that Abuja. He plenty for North, Tramadol, codeine, different things. I beg, Obi, just call BBC. Use your voice. Take them out so that it will reduce us in the next. If we not check can now, trust me, in the next 5 years. Most of all these people they turn up for your club today, you will see them, they will naked for streets. They will don't run mad. You want to they run mad now, they say their brain not strong. 5 years time, we'll see whether you when they smoke now, whether your brain is strong. Or 10 Maximum 15 years time, you don't run enter street. Your family will not abandon you for psychiatric hospital because they don't tire. Your mom said, "Not only you are born, you don't go kill me. I don't kill my mama. I don't kill my papa. You said no go kill me." Forbidden. If I go just down, the girl say, "What are you people doing? People don't have smoke." That's why I like my circle of friends. My po, we don't let po. My circle of friends, we don't let po. We don't po. This is boring. This gathering is boring. People are just taking only alcohol. This gathering is boring. It's boring. And then you'll see some. Get go carry. Well, if you can't get one thing when they take a grind now, they just put weed inside and be loud. Now loud, the blood are loud with the highest. Now no, which one with the highest now? More attack man. Get on the high. When they say that the highest now, and now they could make people crazy. Oh, is it? No, not be Colorado. Not be Colorado. Tramadol, baby. No, not be loud. Crack, 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 crack. It's not crack, the highest crack. Not be SK, not be loud. After loud, now crack, crack with the highest now. I don't know. But they say some places they do crack. Some places they do crack. Blood that crack. That be the highest now. So I beg. You know there's some gadget. You see girls, we all grind. Listen, they'll say, pass me one race like that. Those of them when they take her now, I know it too now, but I'm just trying to use my platform to discourage it because it makes sense to me again. It makes sense to me. Say husband and wife go dey inside house where their children they kpo. Where their children they kpo. Sometimes they will even lock themselves. Some men say child and say they know they smoke for where their children present, but their children they know because they go. The husband and wife will lock themselves for his house. So they kpo the smoke when they come out from on the for the door. The children come and say, children, they smart pass also. They'll say, "Daddy and mommy, they started smoking again." They don't tell you because they fear. Because they know you are hiding it from them. Those kind of children, their friends easily lure them into ram. But they say their papa they do and their mama they do and normal thing. So it is easy for them to easily do it. If your papa they smoke, there is every tendency that you will smoke. Because no matter if your father can do it, your parents, they are the highest mentor. Forget all these pastors who they want to take the role of your parents. Say that they like you past your parents. You are highest mentor. Highest. If two women, if pastor wife stand there and my mama stand, pastor wife advise me, mama advise me, I will take my mama advice. Woman will not destroy me when I dare her womb for 9 months. So I want to take yesterday pastor wife passed my wife, my mother. In fact, if my pastor wife they advise me, my wife they advise me, I will take my wife advice. I will take my wife's sisters. I will take my wife's friends. Pastor wife. Which pastor? Not be you who get money. That pastor wife they advise. If you don't get money, you feel near pastor wife. So I know that I've seen some negative comments. I know all those people they all their speech. They don't use that they leak Rizla finish. Pass me the Rizla. Give me the lighter. Pass me the lighter. Give me the lighter. Yes, my message to that. And this is a message. I start to Cubana Chief Priest to all the big boys in the industry, in the entertainment industry, the showbiz industry, in the real estate business. Please make una watch this video. Our Igbo brothers, use your platform. Please to start talking to our youth. Not be to just we like the one that they spray money. If me get me they spray too. But more still outside down, more still they talk to us. We they listen to now. We they listen to now. Where more they talk to us. More they talk, more they inspire us. Let's be hardworking. Let's be. We know, but we need our right senses to be hardworking. That's why not they pray. Wake up, come see. Obi they talk about hardworking. He whole laugh for math. Say, I live on this way. Which hardworking? All this man, you can't work. What they do? They're gonna deceive person. They're hardworking. You don't already under the influence of that thing where they take. You don't feel listen to you. But if you catch anybody as they wake up, they never smoke anything. They listen to you before they start. They take something. They will believe you. Thank you very much. And my message for now this morning. I'm sure you learn. If you feel me, share this video. I want this message to get to Obi Cubana, Chief Priest, Imoni, Casey, all these Zubi, Davido, all these BB celebrity. I beg, if you feel cut, Instagram when I cut and go say give them. I want me to get this message. I want them to get this message. Pick your favorite part for this video. Pick, send it for their WhatsApp. If you have one-on-one with them, send it to their WhatsApp. They should start talking to us when they start to the advisors. Buhari know the advisors. Our Senate President know the advisors. Speaker House of Friends know the advisors. Our governors know the advisors. So we need to be listening to somebody now. Now Dora will be listening to Dora Akuili, Dora. And Dora they take telephone, they take all these things. Now Dora with Dora don't die. Who they listen? Who they talk to us? Who they talk to us? Because when they talk to us, now some youth are going to listen to Naira Marley. Now when they go to listen to Naira Marley, people that they talk to us, even they talk to us, advisors, Cubana Chief Priest advisors, Zubi advisors, Davido advisors. Because if we are not advisors, we're going to listen to Naira Marley. And Naira Marley say they're saying a bad influence. Now I'm going to listen to somebody like Naira Marley. I might not get it to offer people like us. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Share this video.
Now we don't hear wetin about Obaze talk about Obi Cubana. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.